ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. First, we start with daily chart. All right. If we refer to our analysis based on daily chart, in my last video, we have been looking for this as a correction. That's why I mentioned we want to see whether we can look for the reversal or not. Okay. Anyway, the price drop, and this is what we get. May move to forward chart, it will be more clear. Now, want to see what's the next, whether still we can look for the same movement or not, because at the first, we have been looking for this tree wave, the structure, and we mentioned we want to see whether we can get the reversal and price can retest the previous top or not. This is what we get, but after that, the price drop. Okay, because if we refer to our analysis in my last video, I mentioned there is a possibility we put this one as a flat in relative to this and price drop. That's why when we were talking about the different possibility, I point on this option. Okay, and as we can see, the price drop, but it couldn't retest the previous low. Okay, and right now we want to see whether this is the first three wave structure and this is the start of the up move. That means we can put this one in relative to this as a correction, but as we can see, it dropped quite a lot. Okay, we're not expecting the price drop, okay, as what we have right now, because in the second possibility we put this one as a flat in relative to this for one more drop. But even if we want to look for the second option, we need to see the breakout of the previous low to see the confirmation. Okay, right now we want to see which option we need to see, consider whether the first, and this is the first option, that means this is the correction, we can look for continuation, or we need to wait for the price to retest the previous low. Okay, then for me, I just extend this line, I put it here, and if I refer to the second option, that means this is a flat. I know there is a possibility the price is going to retest the previous line low, or at least this line, okay? But it doesn't mean we are going to look for sell. We'll be looking for buy. But the only thing is, if we get any trade setup is not moving my direction, I know about the second possibility. I won't keep it a trade for the long term. That means any trade I consider as a short term. All right. In this case, I move to 1 hour chart. And what I see here, I see this sharp move. If I see any flag or any correction, I will take the trade and I put my stop loss either below this move or below the previous low. It depends on the traders. If you put here, it will be more safer. Then if we get the trade, we want to see the continuation as a sharp move, at least similar to what we get here. But if I see it's not moving my direction as a sharp move, it turns to a corrective move. That means the price is start to correct here as a, I mean, the way, if I see the way is moving is a corrective, and it can give me confirmation for the price to drop some more, then I move my stop loss to break even or I take out the trade. But overall, what I'm looking for the flag or correction. I want to see the continuation. That means we are looking for buy, something similar to what we get here or the deeper correction. All right. But right now, we don't have any trade set up either for buy or sell. Buying or selling right now is not really good idea. We have to wait for the correction. If I move to 15 minutes, we don't see any trade setup. Okay. And right now, the only thing is if we get any flag or any correction, we take the trade. And if we see it's not moving in our direction, we take out the trade. We won't stay for a long time with the trade if it's not moving in our direction. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share.